AfriForum Youth preparing to lay criminal charges against constitutional law expert Professor Pierre de Vos after he allegedly shared child pornography on his social media profile. De Vos, however, claims his Twitter account was hacked. Let's get more details now on this particular matter, and we speak to the AfriForum Youth spokesperson, René van der Vyver. Ms. van der Vyver, thank you very much for your time. First, let's deal with the section of the law that you will be using against Professor de Vos as you press ahead with these criminal charges.
Yes, hello, thank you. So it is the criminal law with regards to sex offences and related matters. So that will be what we base our claim on or complaint on, which we will hand in later today.
And take the viewers back to when exactly this incident occurred. When did you notice, and what has made you come to this decision?
Yeah, so there appeared a child pornography tweet on Pierre de Vos's Twitter profile Sunday the 11th of September, and then I came to know about it on the 12th of September, the Monday, and then we had to decide that we have to lay a complaint because unfortunately there has been nothing said about this matter at that stage, not even an excuse or something that Pierre de Vos could have put on his Twitter profile to say, sorry, I was hacked, etc. There was nothing said about it. It seemed to just disappear in broad daylight. So we decided that it is a serious matter. Child pornography is a very serious offence. So we decided to lay a complaint.
All right. So your assertion then is that he possibly could have retweeted this and, I suppose, upon noticing that it was on his Twitter feed, then quietly removed it. Do you accept what is understood to have been his defense that his account has been hacked or had been hacked?
Yeah, so I did notice his excuse that his account has been hacked, but I won't say that I will just accept it. That is why we are going to lay a complaint at South African Police Service so that they can investigate the matter. Unfortunately, I'm not a police investigator, so I won't be able to find out what exactly happened, what the truth is. But we hope that at least the investigation can send out the message that this is an offence and it has to at least be investigated.
Are you trying to set an example with this case against Professor de Vos based on the fact that he is a well-known person?
No. So, well, it is an offence no matter who does it. So he is a prominent figure and it sends out a strong and wrong message when a prominent figure does such atrocity and there is no investigation lodged at all. So it's not especially, or it's not a personal attack, but it is something that we have to report no matter who did it. But the fact that he is a mentor for young people at the University of Cape Town definitely also emphasized that we should lodge this complaint.
I think I've also read somewhere that you intend approaching the institution that you have just mentioned, the University of Cape Town, for it to take some measures against Professor de Vos. What exactly do you or are you asking for that institution to do?
Well, we asked them to at least also investigate the matter and to take some disciplinary steps. So I would think that they should at least give some time for the investigation to show what actually happened and to what they should do, because it is in the media now. There's I saw also the EFF had a press release about this. So it is in the media. People are aware of it, and it sends a wrong message when an institution like this, where young people look up to the professors, have to face this, that this might have happened and there is just nothing done about it.
René, let's talk about the strength of your case. And the reason I'm exploring this is that should you lose, Professor de Vos could possibly come back with force to say that you have tarnished his image, and this is why perhaps he is going to sue. I'm simply talking hypothetically here. How strong is your case against him? If you were to ask by the court to prove this, because as you and I said at the beginning, this was subsequently deleted.
Yes, so we feel obliged to go and lodge a complaint so that there can be an investigation. As I previously mentioned, we can't know exactly what the truth is, but that we put our trust in the South African Police Service to investigate. But with regards to your question, whether we are maybe afraid of that he might come back with something, I am not a law expert, so I can't say what the strength of our case exactly is, but we do have a document with all the screenshots that people took to show that this indeed happened. It's not something we made up. It did appear on his profile, etc. And then it is the right thing to do to report something like this. So we are not saying that he is guilty, but we are asking that there at least be an investigation.
Finally, have you gotten a response from the University of Cape Town, the institution that Professor de Vos is attached to?
No, we unfortunately haven't received a reply yet, but we gave them time until this coming Friday to reply. So we hope and believe that we will get a reply or a response by Friday.
René van der Vyver, and that's the spokesperson for the AfriForum Youth. Well, as you would know, in journalism, when an accusation is being made, we ordinarily would give the person or who is accused the right of reply. We have attempted, and the understanding is that Professor de Vos is not speaking at this time.